Hey Scandal Squad, welcome back to the channel, Celebrity Scandalist. Well, it is getting crazy. While we are waiting to get the decision from the judge on whether or not Diddy will get bail or whether or not he will stay in jail, there's a lot just happening today. First, at Diddy's bond hearing, the attorneys have alleged that it's raising safety concerns for alleged victims if he is going to be released. Now let's listen to what Ariel Mitchell, she is representing Courtney Burgess, the one guy who has some of the tapes and the Kim Porter book. Let's listen to what she had to say.
I just find it sort of fascinating with everything that gets written about Diddy and all the claims and everything you see online that you and your client are the ones who are getting this cease and desist letter. What exactly that means, I guess we'll have to wait and find out.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah, you don't seem surprised.
I'm not surprised at all because I'm really good at what I do. So I think, the whole thing about the squeaky wheel gets the oil. I've been making a lot of noise. I've been making noise about Diddy since 2021. He's been trying to silence me for years now. So now I'm sure he's feeling, if anybody's feeling the pressure, I'm sure it's him.
Are you nervous at all?
No, I keep 2 straps on me. I make sure, and I have God protecting me. I'm not scared as long as he's behind bars. I will say if he does get out, I am grateful to hear that the judge won't let him come back to Miami. So to that extent, I'm very grateful. If he were to come back to Miami, I probably would be a little nervous and probably beef up security. But other than that, I know I have God's protection, so I'm not scared. And I'm pretty good with my Smith & Wesson.
So baby, did you hear that? She says she is armed and ready to go. She's on go, okay? So she is not scared of Diddy. But let's get into this article, and it's from the source. It says Diddy's bond hearing raises safety concerns for alleged victims amid death threats. Wow, it's getting crazy, y'all. According to News Nation's Banfield, Ariel Mitchell, an attorney representing multiple accusers, she revealed that her clients have been receiving death threats. Among those targeted is Courtney Burgess, a grand jury witness who has publicly claimed to own the copyright to the alleged memoir of the late Kim Porter. Mitchell shared that her clients, who are part of the ongoing legal proceedings against Diddy, are apprehensive about the implications of his potential release. All of them are very apprehensive about their safety if he were to be granted bond, she stated. I'm confident in the court. I'm sure the court will remain with their previous decision of no bond. Well, that has yet to be determined because we're still waiting to hear about that. The attorney explained that while the threats her clients have received are from unidentified sources, the timing has raised concerns about the possibility of Diddy's influence. There have been threats from people on the internet, but not at least what we don't know from Diddy to be directly, she clarified. Mitchell, who claims to have been vocal about Diddy's alleged misconduct since 2021, admitted that she too has faced intimidation. Despite this, she maintained a firm stance. I keep 2 straps on me. Now, we just heard her say that. And I have God protecting me. I'm not scared as long as he's behind bars. Now, come on, let's be real. God does protect us all, but people do end up unalived, okay? While expressing relief that the judge has indicated Diddy would not be allowed to return to Miami if released, Mitchell acknowledged that his release could require heightened security measures. If he were to come back to Miami, I probably would be a little more nervous and probably beef up security, she admitted. I'm pretty good with my Smith & Wesson. I wouldn't want to have to deal with that. Let's just be real. Prosecutors pushed to deny bond. So again, today both sides had to turn in the additional arguments the judge required from Friday. Prosecutors have raised concerns that Diddy could obstruct justice if granted bond, citing his potential to influence witnesses or intimidate accusers. These arguments, coupled with the alleged threats against his accusers, will likely weigh heavily on the court's decision. So while we're still waiting, the latest that I've seen, because we were hoping to get a decision today, but the last minutes, and I guess this has been about an hour ago, it says minute entry for proceedings held before Judge Aaron Subramanian Bond hearing as to Sean Combs held on 11/25/2024, which is today. Defendant Sean Combs, present with retained counsel Mark Agnifilio, Tini Garagos, Alexandra Shapiro, Anna Estevao, and Anthony Rico. And then the U.S. side, Christy Slavic, Meredith Foster, and Mitzi Steiner present. Bail hearing held. The court considered argument from both sides and directed the parties to make further submissions. So I'm interpreting that to mean that the judge wants to see more documentation or, more information from both parties. So we're still waiting to hear. So no decision in sight right now. Okay, so I'll keep you guys posted and we'll give you up to date as soon as they come in for me. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.